Ooh, look at the glow. Look at the glow. Hello, welcome back to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I'm Twyla. Juno Co had, I don't know if this is the first year they've had the Lucky Bags, but Juno Co is a website. It's an affordable website, and they have, well, it's beauty without BS. So they wanted to make trendy makeup affordable for everyone, and it's a website where you can get brushes and makeup and tools and different things like that. And they had a Lucky Bag available for, and I think it's still available as of yesterday. They still had the Lucky Bag available for $25. So it's $25 and you can get up to $100 value. And so I got mine, and they have, it's going to take a minute to get into this box because I can't find a seam anywhere. So let's see what I got in my Lucky Bag from Juno Co. Okay, wow, that was not easy. I ended up opening it from the bottom and had to go back in from the top because there were two boxes in here. Okay, so I've pulled all of my stuff out because it was so difficult to get into this box. I'm glad they packaged it very well because of what was in the box. I also ordered another sponge because I like their microfiber sponge. So I also ordered me one of their little pink rose colored sponges with that order. So the Lucky Bag was $25. This was $6. So that just added on to my order. But anyway, here's what I got in my Lucky Bag. I got two more of the microfiber sponges. One is a fusion sponge, which is this sponge right here. So I'm glad I got another one because this one is falling apart. And then one that's called the Angled Contour Sponge. Now these are $6 a piece. And I'm gonna have to figure out this one because it's got like a, you see all of the angles on it? And this little, I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure out this one. This is cool, it's neat to have. Does it say how to use it? No, it just says how to clean it. How to clean it, and that there's no rules. So two sponges. Another thing that I got in this little bag is it doesn't say on the bag what it is. I like that they have these nice little Ziploc bags. Beauty without BS. And this is one of those little fish-shaped brushes, and are these like for contouring? I don't know. I've never had one of these. I've never used it, and I couldn't find it on their website when I was looking, so I'm not really sure what the value of this would be, but it's a very cute little brush. Maybe I'll try it for some contouring. Maybe I'll try contouring my nose. We'll see. Then I got two of the Juno Co brushes. Now, I like their brushes. I have lots of their brushes, and I really like them. I have this, and this is the ES05. This is an angled, I use it as a blush brush, but I guess you could use it for bronzer or anything that you want. I can tell you that they do free US shipping at $15, and then I think it's free international at $50. This is an ES11. I don't have this brush. This is a nice, I guess it's like a, I don't know, powder kabuki thing. Nice to have that too. And then I got three makeup items in here. I've got this Ucanbe Molten Rock Heat. What's this look like? I have the Petite Heat, but I don't have the Urban Decay Heat palette, and I think this is a knockoff of that. I'm not gonna open this up just because I'm not sure if I'll keep this. I could not find this on their website. Another thing that from Ucanbe, I just love that name of a company, Ucanbe, I guess that's what it is this Heaven's Hue highlighter. And I will open this up. So I believe that this is probably similar to the Kat Von D highlighter palette. And it looks like we've got, I don't know, a yellow, a cream, a green, and a blue, or a purple. I'm sure these have shifts to them. Let's go ahead. I don't know if you can tell. They're very soft, powdery feeling, so we'll see how they're very powdery going on. Oh, that purple though. So, did a bad job. Aren't those, I'll bring them up closer. Wow, but those are, it's pink, I guess. The bottom one that's cream colored is more of a pink. So there's that green, the icy blue, the purple, and pink. So those are really, really pretty, and I have a feeling, look, right there, they all look white. What is up with the lighting? You can't tell the colors. Claire will probably love to have this. And then the last makeup item that I got in here was a NiceFace matte lip gloss. I've never had a matte lip gloss. It comes with 3 of them. I don't know who NiceFace is. See if they have colors listed on them. This is called Bear With Me. This is called Lulu. And this is called Silk Indulgent. Let's see, I'm going to put Bear With Me on and let's see what a matte. These are a little plastic, they're lightweight. Standard doe fit. Oh, it's very light. Wow. Very soft feeling. Nothing wrong with it, but I don't like this color. It's a shame that I use that because I don't like that color. And I'm guessing this is going to be just as light. What is this one called? Lulu? Ugh. Maybe this would be better on top of a dark lipstick. I just don't like these colors. Let's do that. Let's put on like a rosy colored lipstick. What is this? This is Illamasqua, I don't know, Love Lips? Lava Lips? Okay. And now let's try the Bear With Me on top of this. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. Worth a try. I don't know. It's very strange, but those are just way too light for me. They feel really, really nice, but I can't find these on their website, so I'm not sure how much they would run. Those are the makeup items that I got. And then there was this box inside it. It's the Juno Co Smart Mirror. I was really excited when I saw that because that's a $59 value alone. And the Smart Mirror comes with this little 5x magnet that you can put on it. And I actually am using this mirror right now because I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up because this is really cool. So here's the mirror itself. There's my ceiling. And so you can turn it like this if you want. It's very cool, the part of it it has a night light. So if you want to read, you can use it as a reading light. It also has the 3 different settings. But the smart part of it is it comes with, I like this little tray because I had things sitting in the tray. It comes with this little USB connector. You plug this in and there's a USB on the other end. So I have a computer sitting right here, so I just plugged it in. The smart part of the mirror is that you can download the app. I forgot to show you. You can, it sticks right on it so that you can look in and see all of your flaws really easily. And then you just take it off and set it down there. I'll just show you. It has a little manual on here that tells you what you can do with the smart mirror. I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see. I'll play around with it. But I think that's really cool because that's a $59 value in itself. These are $6 each. This is $6, so that's $18. This is $3, so this is $21. And then this brush, this lip gloss set, this eyeshadow palette, and the highlighter palette. That alone would have been worth the $25 because these are worth $21, just these 4. Having these extra things probably worth, you know, around the $50 value mark. But they sell this smart mirror for $59 on their website. That is everything that I got in the Lucky Bag for Juno Co. And I'm happy with it. Of course I'm happy with it. I'd have been happy if the only thing I got was that mirror. Really happy with my $25 Lucky Bag. If you ordered the Juno Co Lucky Bag, let me know what you got down below. And it's still available, so I'll put the link out there for it down below in my description box. If you're interested in a $25 Lucky Bag, you know that you're at least going to get your $25. So there you go. All right. Thank you for hanging around. Thank you for watching this video. I have a giveaway going right now on my Instagram page. I'll link that Instagram down below. Go check that out. Leave a comment, like, love. Come back and see me again. Mwah. Bye.